So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another analysis video. Today we are going to solve one problem using pandas Python, and the problem is department top 3 salary. Like there will be some departments and we have to find like top 3 salaries within each department. Let us see how we can do it. And I already have the code. I will just copy and paste and I will explain you line by line what does each code mean, and what was the logic behind the code. Okay, if employee dot size equal to 0, so basically we are saying that if we are getting an empty data frame, like there can be test cases like that. So if we are getting an empty data frame, then what you have to do, return also one empty data frame with the digit column names. We are making an empty data frame with columns as department, employee and salary, which is the expected output here. Okay, and we are because we are mentioning one index also there, so it will be one null row, so we are dropping the NA values and we are returning that empty data frame. Okay, else part is there. So if the data frame size is like not empty, so we'll do the first thing we will do is, let us see. So this is a long thing. Like we are making one data frame for top 3. We are taking employee from that department ID and salary. We are dropping the duplicates. Like if any duplicate salary is there and duplicate like obviously if any with same department ID there will be duplicate salary, then it will be get dropped. And what we are doing, we are grouping by department ID, and we are taking the salary as value, and we are getting the n largest. We are getting 3 largest values and we are keeping all. If there is same values, then it will keep them. Okay, like if suppose 85,000 85,000 two times, then it will take both of them. But in this case, as we have already dropped the duplicate, so it will take only one. Okay, what will the problem if we will not drop the duplicates? Then suppose there is 90,000, 80,000, 85,000 and 85,000, then it will take those 3 values as top 3 and it will not take a different value. But that's not what we want. We want distinct top 3, so it we are taken here, and then we are just resetting the index so that we will get the department ID as a column name, because it will present as index there. And also it will have an additional column as level 1, so we are dropping that one. Okay, first let me show you how it will be, so that you will have a clear idea about what you are doing here actually. So return top 3. So see, there is a department ID, level 1 column, and salary. Salary is there. So it is returning the top 3 values, and which is unique, not duplicates. Duplicates will not be there. And okay, so the first line code finished, and I hope you understood what was the logic and why we did that one. Then we are going to build another data frame which will be the same name as employee. And so we are doing here employee equal to, we are merging the top 3, like we are joining the top 3 with employee table. And we are doing inner join. We are taking both these two tables as joined column, like department ID and salary combination, so that even if there will be same value for one column, it will be a unique value as combinations. Okay, so we are dropping the duplicates. Now we will see the employee data frame. Okay, I hope you understood the second line. If not, I will show you what is in that code. This is basically merging operation, the table we created earlier as top 3 with the employee. Okay, so we are getting the result: ID, name, salary and department ID. You can see we are getting four values for department ID because there is two values, two same values for this 85,000 salary. Okay, so we got the employee, like we got the merged data frame, and we'll save that in a data frame called result. Okay, so we are creating one data frame called result. We are employee.merge. We are joining again with the department. Like this employee is this employee, not the original table employee. Okay, so we are joining with department because we have to get the department names which is present in department. Okay, we are joining on department ID, and right table there is this ID column which is department ID. Okay, and we are taking name Y, name X, and salary. So let me show you what it will return here if we are not taking this one. Okay, result. So if we are returning the result here, you will see. So it is returning both tables, whatever the values are there, and it is naming it from the left table. It is naming it as X suffix, and from the right table it is naming as Y suffix. Okay. So basically from that one, here we are taking name X, salary, and name Y. Basically we need the employee name, department, and salary. Okay, that is why we are taking this one. Then we are doing nothing. We are just renaming the column values, like column names, in that result, and we are returning that data frame. Okay, so we'll run here, and you can see the result is accepted. So I think it will be good if we can see the full here. Okay, let me see if I can see it. So I hope you guys can see the code now properly, and so this was the code, and we will submit. And you can see our code is submitted, but as usual we are at last 70%, like that 80%. So basically it doesn't matter, but what matters is how we are approaching the problem, and if you are understanding the approach or not. I hope you guys liked it. Please subscribe my channel if you are new, or if you are watching till end. Mostly people will not watch till end, but it's okay. If you want to learn, then you have to understand each and every concept and each and every step, so that you can formulate the logic by yourself also, because that is most important thing. Okay, so please subscribe my channel if you want to learn about pandas and problem solving. So like this video also, so that it will reach to more people, and that's it. I'll meet you in next video, and next video of pandas and data analysis. So I'll also bring some videos in data sets, how we are analyzing those data and how we will clean those data based on the problem statement. Okay, so I will bring those kind of videos also, but for interview you will get this type of problem, so you should understand. Okay, so that's it for this video. Please subscribe and like, and I'll meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching.